Welcome to BoatLife 2024 with Outside Your Zone. We can't wait to get in there and meet all of you lot and show you some of the new gadgets that we've got our hands on. Remember, the first fan to come and ask us for some WD-40 wins the ultimate prize. I wonder how quickly someone will get their hands on that. Let's get ourselves in. We're looking forward to meeting some of the UK brands and manufacturers that create all of this great technology that we're about to see. Harry Dwyer is someone who I want to see. Here we go. Oh, no way. Look at this. The famous, the one and only Goodwin from Harry Dwyer. No way. This is an iconic vessel. Massive inspiration to Outside Your Zone, his Circumnavigation of Britain series.
Harry Dwyer, the people's icon.
Let me introduce you to the world's smallest and most high detailed fishing camera. It's called the Westin Escape Cam. It weighs only 40 grams. Take the SD card out, pop it in here, and you put it straight into your phone to watch the footage in real time. So you can be on the bank or on the boat and you can see your footage in real time. So there you go, guys. Westin Escape Cam, buy yours now.
No way. Look at that. Get that in your tank or your pond or something.
We've spotted Henry on the horizon. He was lost in the NEC and he has arrived. Let's go. Nice to see you, bro. How are you?
I'm not too bad.
You looking good? You ready for a good day of fun and festivities?
It's going to be very good. There's some absolutely cracking boats here today.
Look at the hat, say boys. Would you want one of these hats to come round the world with us?
Simrad, because we got more of those.
The Simrad?
Two of those.
The Simrad will be coming round the world with us this year.
All the boys give this moonshine a little try.
Oh, Donald, moonshine.
Tough nut's like a liquid Ferrero Rocher. We'll get that
Tough
for
nut.
Tough nut,
Al's in on a tough nut, eh?
always.
There you go.
Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
That's actually unreal, you know. It does not taste like alcohol.
No, 25% in that, and it is allergen free.
Henry, get your ID out.
Come on over here, yo.
That was actually Ferrero Rocher.
I know, it was
Wonderful, thank you.
unbelievable.
There you go. See what you think of that. It's 50%. It has been triple filtered, so it's quite smooth.
Go on, what notes are you getting, Henry?
Oh.
It's not too bad. It's quite smooth.
at
Like
those
you
eyes.
say, it's quite smooth going down.
We're here at the Sea Deck booth, and we've just been told Donna here, her son Charlie, has his own YouTube channel called Catch of the Day, so go and subscribe to him.
Charlie. So this is Marine Magic. This cleans your deck, EVA foam decking. There we are.
Get up.
There is a gift for
Should we
you.
do a marine
Thank
magic
you,
chat?
yes, Marine Magic.
Marine
Magic.
magic.
Marine Magic. Marine Magic.
Yes,
Hey,
Thank
get
you very
up.
much. First item acquired.
Beard World.
This is Corey 2.0 and he's seen the vids. He's seen the vids.
Seen the vids. We're now here at the XL stand. Let's go and have a look at the sibs.
You get up to any mischief?
Much.
You've done
Lots
it
of
all.
mischief.
Lots of mischief.
We've been
Very
that
good.
mischievous that we've bought 2 yachts and we're setting off to sail around the world in
Oh,
2 months' time.
2 months' time. That's going to be amazing. Well done.
So we've just ran into one of the members of Atlantic R2R who rode the Atlantic this year. You will have seen it on our Instagram. Congratulations, mate. Absolutely massive effort. Love that.
Oh, mate, it was unlike any experience I'd ever had. We had a great bunch of guys, and a lot of it now is just a reflection piece of it. Getting to the end of it was 40 days rowing, such confined sort of living conditions, and we all got on. Had a few blow-ups, but honestly, the fact that we managed to get from conception to the end of this was just amazing.
R2R, 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 R2R. One of the aims of the game at BoatLife is seeing how much free gear you can get your hands on. So may I have a bag of Skittles? Thank you very much. Bag of Skittles from Caldwell's. Awesome.
So we're giving you the opportunity at SSL Conversions to potentially win a brand new narrowboat, custom designed all around you.
You can scan this code and involve yourself in this competition for a free narrowboat for £10.
So I might be able to give your followers another discount code.
Ooh, talk of a discount code for the OYZ team, and it will be here. So, competition ends 21st of April.
SSL! SSL!
Gold medal goes to
Robbie Ladd from OYZ.
So, we're here with the Accessible Waterways Association, and they've got a really great message. And what's your name?
I'm Tracy. Yeah, so the AWA, we're new. We've been going for just over a year now. and we're trying to work towards the idea of making the inland waterways more accessible for everybody.
So, Ozzy, what have you got to say today? Have you got anything important to tell the fans?
We then had the pleasure of bumping into the team from Wild Seas, who run a top quality fishing channel.
Do YouTube videos, we sell fishing jigs, fishing lures. But yeah, we fish down in Cornwall, we got boats, and yeah, we have great fun. Check us out on YouTube.
Wild Seas, go and check the boys out. Go on, can we get an OYZ? OYZ, 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 OYZ.
We've met our first fan. This is Ribfix. He's commented on our smallest inflatable boats across the Irish Sea video with some curiosity about how we repaired the green machine.
A couple more.
Yeah, I know. And another.
And another.
And another.
And another. 3 stickers for our Paul.
Every video he comments on, he's one of our top commenters, top fans. Great to see him yet again at BoatLife 2024. OYZ, OYZ, OYZ.
So, for some reason, I didn't actually expect to be taller than Harry Dwyer. I'd say like 181, 182. Hero. Big fan. Massive, massive inspiration to OYZ. I remember when the first video came out from his channel with this boat, and it really inspired us to get into the ribs and the sibs in our case. Look at the size of this engine as well. Suzuki 4-stroke, 50 horsepower. Very, very fast. Yo! Are you Highland Haggis, man? Yes! Big fan. Nice one, bro. I've got a question for you, one question. Have you seen our world record vid? The crossing the Irish Sea in a... No way! No way! No way!
Tell me about you guys, so what do you do?
So, we're outside your zone. We're an adventure collective from Cumbria in the north, but we've got members all over the world. I can't believe that Harry Dwyer has seen our Isle of Man vid. That is absolutely crazy. OYZ! 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 OYZ!
Harry? Oh look, you're getting a sticker. Do you want to, are we going to stick one on?
Yes.
Yo!
I'll leave that to you. I'll leave that to you. The good win.
I've got a lot. Oh, you're giving me a stack.
The good win is consecrated. So I'll leave that to you to stick it on.
It is the holy boat.
I've got good nails for this. Here we go.
Yes.
Got to get it straight. Yeah, give it a polish. Give it a clean.
OYZ, give it a polish. OYZ.
Okay, right.
OYZ.
Let's get this on here.
OYZ.
That's straight. That's
OYZ. Yes! Oh my God!
Can I also show you guys this little bit of welding I've done? I'm pretty proud of it.
Is that self? Is that
stainless welding I've done here? I'm very in an upcoming video. Thank you very much.
Impressive. We've just found Alex Goes Sailing on the TV. Alex Gars. Shout out to Alex Gars. We love you, Alex. Alex Gars. Alex Gars. We do all sorts of adventure stuff. Our next big adventure is sailing around the world with our 38-foot camper and Nicholson. Bit of free scran.
Yep, help yourself. It's a smart boat monitoring system, essentially. It's all connected to an app.
So let us know if you think that we should get one of these from Veer Crew.
Yeah, Sham. Yeah, I'm good. Are you? Yeah, not bad. Nice to meet you, pal. Nice to meet you, pal. Unreal, bro.
Here we go, look at that. Budgie YouTube. Outside your zone.
Outside your zone!
Unreal, boys. Budgie YouTube, check them out.
OYZ. OYZ.
So, we're currently at the Mermaid Gin
No,
bar.
it's not. It's on the other side.
We are not.
Right, I'm going to dive on the surf simulator. Let's give it a go. Shoes off. Nah, me first, eh? He's done me there. He's done me. That was up there. No way. What did I get? 32. Henry's in. Henry's in. Henry's in. No one has yet said that they want WD-40 offers to win the prize. No one has actually done it yet. Here comes Henry. $29, $30. Oofed. Oofed. $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40. No way! The new world record, Hercules Henry Jones.
How did you do that, Henry?
Yes! OYZ, 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 OYZ. We've met Admiral Matt Cooper. Should we give him a chant?
Matt Cooper, Matt Cooper, Matt Cooper, Matt Cooper, Matt Cooper.
The next winner is Outside Your Zone! And it says Tom.
Where's Tom? Tom. What's he gonna get?
He's gonna go for the gin.
Don't go for the gin. Are you getting the safety bundle rather than the coat?
Yeah, man, the coat's just for me, the safety bundle's for everyone's safety.
Yeah.
I'm a man of the people, I'm a man for the team. Tom from OYZ.
I wonder what the safety bundle is.
Everyone's favourite.
I know, we're gonna find out.
We should have got that coat, man.
Nah.
No, the coats, we've got plenty of coats.
Got plenty of coats, coach. No safety.
I feel like I should put it back in the bag.
Outside your zone! Yes! Go on! That's OYZ! OYZ! That's a roller bag.
That's a roll bag, yeah.
Yeah, get the roll bag.
Right, we're in.
The next prize winner is CA2 Squidward Fishing...
That says Kaz, mate.
Kaz, sorry. Squidward.
We're always repping the CA.
Always repping the CA.
We won this bag in the competition, and we've been asked to come over to the stand to see what we've got.
So I'm looking forward to putting all my important gear in this roll bag, but tell us, you've designed them yourself?
So this is my baby. So you can carry it a top handle, you can carry it as a crossbody,
okay.
But then you can take the straps off and put it on the lower ones and wet around your waist. This is my throw it all in bag. You've got a little zip pocket here for all your essentials, and if it's super duper full, you've got loads of towels, wetsuits in.
Yeah.
You can lengthen the straps so it's not all the way up your arm, and you've got a little buckle poke.
Awesome.
So that's it.
I'm sure we're going to put these all raw.
And now you've just trashed the stand.
Of course we did. Yeah, I'm sure we're going to put these to good use throughout our adventures. I love a good roll bag. I am a big fan of a good roll bag, and these are really cool, especially with the straps around the shoulder and the colours. So we've just talked to Ryber, and we're looking at getting one of those bodyboards today. I think they're really cool. I think we should get the yellow one. These boys think that we should get the red one. Or the blue.
You got any WD-40?
Yes! No way! Yes! Go on then. The winner of the ultimate prize. Ultimate prize. The ultimate prize.
Get in.
Someone get a photo of him with the ultimate prize.
There we go, that'll do.
What do you think of your ultimate prize?
I'm so happy.
Is it what you expected?
No, totally not. I think it's going to be a boat, mate.
Well, luckily for you, this tiny little Chode's WD-40 isn't the only ultimate prize. You also get a first edition merch hat and a signed OYZ guest vest.
Now that.
Yes.
Yeah. There you go. That's what you want.
Ultimate prize. Ultimate prize. Ultimate prize. What's your name, mate?
Finn.
The extra addition to the ultimate prize is our mate here gets to design his own piece of merch.
This is Finn's design, which will only be available on the shop for the next week.
So we're about to take the Waydoo into the pool at BoatLife and show everyone the capability of the Waydoo Subnado. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome.
Waydoo,
Waydoo, Waydoo, Waydoo. Jeremy Waydoo. We are outside your zone. We're an adventure collective from Cumbria. Last year we bought ourselves a sailing boat, and this year we're going to go around the world in it. But beforehand we thought we'd come to BoatLife, talk to some of you, and test out the new Waydoo Subnado, which is an underwater jetpack. So I'll pass you on to Alex.
Do you want that right now live? Right, this is the Waydoo Subnado. This is the first time we've used it, so hopefully it works. He's away. There we go. That is the Waydoo Subnado.
We're all about getting outside of our zone quite clearly, and and that's what we're doing, that's what we're trying to do, push ourselves to the next limit, because we got too comfortable in those inflatable boats, so that's what we're all about.
And we had a family friend who was fit as a fiddle. He had a heart attack and died 3 years ago. And me and my brother, it kind of hit us hard because we saw him as this action man, outdoors guy that was so fit. And since then, we've just been working and trying to build with the YouTube. We've got a good team that's got loads of different skills, and it's started to work out. And we can't do it without people like Landslide. We can't do it without people like you lot who've come to see us today. We just want to thank BoatLife for inviting us here and for putting this on. What an event for everyone. Really, really great, so thank you very much.
OYZ, 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 OYZ.
So you can see behind me, just here, Fish Daddy UK. Oh, Fish Daddy!
So this is inflatable boat fishing. This year they've got a VR fishing game, and whoever catches the biggest fish gets a free boat.
No way.
So we're all in.
We're all in.
How's it going, Carlo? You good?
How's it going?
Yeah. And then cast and let go of the button.
Okay, I see.
You'll know it's cast because it'll go.
Oh my, you weren't lying about the graphics.
Look around you, look behind you. Just got to keep it out of the way.
Yo! Oh, I just had a bite. Boys, I've caught a 5-inch sweary, and I've gained 8 XP. Yo, he's got one.
Yeah. What's the length?
Has he got one? Get in. How big is it?
What does it
say? At the top. It is 9 inch.
9 inch.
He wishes. So I'm here with Mustang, and I'm gonna see if I can get a silver or gold ticket to win myself a prize.
Oh, you actually got one?
Yo! Silver ticket! Let's go! Just won myself a Mustang t-shirt. Thank you to the Mustang team.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Henry has said if he wasn't sailing around the world, he would be getting into powerboat racing. So when we saw the Good Boy Vodka boat, we had to get ourselves in.
Incredible. Unbelievable.
That is.
Oh my god. And you've also got your air supply above you, just there. No, to your left above you.
Oh, here. Oh, whoa.
If you flip over,
yeah.
these are flood tubes here. It'll start filling from your head down to your toes.
Oh.
Obviously, because of the pressure, you can't push that open.
Yeah.
So you've got to wait for it to flood first. So you'll sat upside down in your 5-point harness, and when your toes get wet, then you know you can get out. At max speed, it'll run around 157, I think.
Wow.
Twin turbos.
They are twin turbos, and they are 9.6 litre apiece.
If you remember watching last year's SBS BoatLife video, you'll remember Leah from Westdown. Say hello, Leah.
Oh my god.
Get in. Do you want to give us the Westdown spiel?
So my name's Leah, and I'm the founder of Washdown. So we started Washdown off the back of my super yacht career, where we were using products all the time that were really bad for us and the environment, and plant-based products were really weak and it didn't work. So we found a Washdown, so it's a range of biotech cleaning products that's better for you and the environment.
It's her business. We love small businesses, UK businesses, family businesses. This is the brother.
Woo.
Washdown merch. Washdown merch. Washdown merch. Yes. We've got some Washdown merch from Leah. She's a good friend of the channel. We love Washdown Eco, and we love the team, and they've been so good to us, and we can't wait to put this to use on the boat. Boys, what do you think of the new item?
Amazing, look at that. I'm going to be smashing some waves on that.
Ryber. Yeah, Ryber's a UK company. Mega. Designed by yourself. Look at that. Yes.
So in November of this year, I'm going to attempt to set a brand new Guinness World Record. So nobody has ever rowed solo, unsupported and non-stop from mainland Africa all the way across to mainland North America, and it'll take me 4 months.
Brilliant, man. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
So good. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, outside your zone.
This is home for about 4 months.
Awesome. That's unreal, man.
A words of motivation.
Yeah.
Starts off there, goes to that, ends there.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you very much, mate. Yes. Orange. OYZ orange.
OYZ.
Oh, Harry Dwyer's having a look at the Waydoo. He's interested in one himself. It's a nice piece of kit. It's nice and weighty.
Yeah. It's like a jetpack. You just strap it.
Yeah, it's James Bond, isn't it?
James Bond-esque, isn't it?
Right, should we all get together for a photo then?
Okay.
That is it. We've finished our day of BoatLife 2024, and we're heading home all the way back to Cumbria with loads of free gear from all the people supporting the cause this year. Ryber with the bodyboard and the bags, and we've got loads of people to contact when we get home to start kitting out the blue spur. Thanks to everyone who came and saw us today, and we hope that when we're back from sailing around the world, we'll get to come back bigger and better.
OYZ! 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 So, more fresh, 2 inflatable paddleboards from the inflatable boat community. So thank you very much. Fresh, 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 fresh.